How squirrels help forests grow while preparing for winter. As the crisp autumn air begins to settle in, squirrels become incredibly busy. Their mission: to prepare for the upcoming winter months. These tiny creatures scurry around, collecting acorns and other nuts. Each one is meticulously stored for the cold season ahead. You might see a squirrel darting quickly from tree to tree. They're on a mission, and there's no time to waste. Squirrels have an amazing memory. They remember most of their hiding spots for the food they stash away. However, not every acorn gets retrieved. Some are forgotten, buried deep within the earth. These forgotten acorns have a surprising fate. Over time, they begin to sprout and grow into new trees. This natural cycle benefits the forest ecosystem. Squirrels unknowingly contribute to forest regeneration. The preparation for winter is intense. Each nut collected is a lifeline for the chilly months ahead. It's fascinating to think about the impact of such a small animal. Squirrels play a pivotal role in nature's grand design. As winter approaches, the forests might seem quiet. But beneath the surface, there's a trove of hidden treasures. These treasures, in the form of acorns, are a testament to the squirrels' hard work. They ensure survival and growth for future generations. Next time you see a squirrel, remember their crucial role. They're not just preparing for winter, they're planting the seeds for tomorrow.